been a few months now. We're just going into autumn, getting close to winter. We're into November now. Not had a lot of time to work on the shed. Unfortunately, everything's just been sort of thrown back in. However, what I have got is still a slightly leaky roof. So what we're going to attempt today, rather than replacing the roof, because I haven't got £200 to stick a nice new rubber roof on, I bought some bitumen paint. So it says it should seal the roof. We'll give it a go. We'll see what happens. Who knows? Also, while we're here, I have managed to build this little tool storage area. It's full of rubbish at the moment, all clad down the side with some pallet wood, and I have got on order some of that sort of black foam sound deadening material. So that's on. This is how the roof is looking. As you can see, a few of the pins come up holding the felt on. It's not too bad. I had siliconed a little bit, but it's not really working. So what we're going to be using, some of this Bostik bitumen black paint. Says it's for roofing felt, so we'll give it a go. So as we can see, that's going on nice and easy. Brush. Probably do a couple of coats. This. Make it look nice. Hopefully that will seal it all up. So that is now the whole roof, all painted, all sealed. Seems to have gone on quite well, so I think I might get away with just one coat, but I'll see. If I still keep getting the leak inside, then I'll put another coat on. But yeah, that Bostik bitumen paint gone on really well. Cost about £33.99 I think for the tin, so a lot cheaper than the 250 plus for a new rubber roof. So yeah, all good.